Damn. Shit. Nigga, I'm looking rough as hell. But shit. Ayy. What's good? Tuco Squad. Tuco Squad. It's your boy Dejan, man. Back with another video. Hey, man. For all y'all wondering where the fuck I'm at, I'm in the back of a truck right now. But under the camera, it's a door. You feel me? And that door is open. And this lighting, ooh, hey nigga, that shit doing justice on me. Even though I just woke up right now, man. I know y'all can tell a nigga just woke up right now. You feel me, nigga? Look at my fucking hair. And speaking of my hair, a lot of y'all been asking me. Y'all seen the last video I dropped a while ago. You feel me? Like I said, I know I ain't been uploading. I've been fucking up, man. And I apologize, you feel me? But, hey, man, we gonna get this shit together for real, man. I ain't gonna keep talking and telling y'all I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna start uploading this shit, you feel me? And I'm not doing it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get it together, though, you feel me? YouTube is really my passion, you feel me? And I'm really finna come up off this shit, you feel me? I don't give a fuck what nobody say, man. I know y'all rock with me. I know y'all rock with your boy, you feel me? Hey, man, but yeah, like I said, speaking of my hair, man, a lot of y'all been asking me, you feel me, how I get my hair like this. Basically how I get the freeforms like this. Nah, I know they looking rough right now. I told you I just woke up. We gonna get this together. And I'm gonna show y'all what I do on my everyday hair routine, you feel me? From the time I first started, from the time my hair first started growing. And you know what I'm saying? If you was watching me a while back, you feel me? You know when I first started growing my hair, it wasn't about a cool till like, what? 3 months? I'll say about 3 months before I actually started sponging my hair, you feel me? Because in order to even get your hair like this, it gotta have some kind of nappiness to it. Like, you gotta use a sponge or something, like sponge or brush or something. Me, usually, I already stopped using a sponge, you feel me? All I do is really just fingertips. I don't really have to do nothing to it, you feel me? Like, I do, you feel me, to keep it looking nice, of course, but you feel me? I don't really gotta do shit to my hair, but you feel me? Without further ado, we finna get straight into this video. I'm finna show y'all my everyday hair routine. You know what I'm saying? I wanna know how I got the freeforms, how I get them, you feel me? I'm about to tell y'all how I get my hair like that, man. So, before this video even get started, man, make sure I give this video a big old like, share, comment, subscribe, bro. Man, let's get straight into this video, man. I'm happy. I ain't did a video in a minute, man. Let's get it. We inside the crib now, as y'all see. You feel me? We in the bathroom and shit. You know what I'm saying? So, we finna get straight into this shit like I told y'all by the end of this video. Nigga, I'm finna be looking sexy. Don't get it fucked up. I know my shit looking rough. I don't even look that bad right now, but I know I'm looking rough because I just woke up. By the end of this video, nigga, you looking like a goddamn king in this bitch, man. Like real shit. But look, man, look. Got your products. You feel me? Look, man, this ain't what y'all supposed to start off with. This is what I use for right now. You feel me? This is what I use now. You feel me? When I first started off, it's nothing but sponge and a do-rag and just that's it. Man, you don't touch it really. You don't touch it. Well, I ain't gonna say you don't touch it because you need oils in order to keep your hair clean while it's trying to lock up. You feel me? Because you can't wash your hair while your hair trying to lock up and shit. You try to wash your hair while your hair locking up, it's gonna fuck up your dreads. I promise you, don't do that shit. When you first want to start your freeform process, you want to sponge your hair real good. You feel me? Because once you sponge it real good, you gonna leave it. Like, you not. The biggest mistake you niggas be making is y'all be combing your hair out, man. Y'all gotta stop doing that shit. When you comb your hair out, you fucking up the progress. You just losing progress that you done already worked on. You feel me? Let me show you a little basic shit. Now for me, now that my hair is locked up and shit, I can wash my hair and do whatever the fuck I want to do to it and not have a problem. It's not gonna fuck up. You feel me? My shit not gonna look weird, none of that shit. I can sleep on it, all that. You feel me? I don't even wear a do-rag no more. I don't even use a sponge no more. You feel me? And yeah, y'all want them like this, bro? I'm gonna show y'all how to do it, nigga. So, look, I'm gonna just start out by washing my shit. I don't know if I should wash it. Let me get it back. I'm gonna just do the bathtub. Fuck it. I guess I'm gonna just start by washing. I hope this shit not cold. Look, man, we gonna let that warm up. We gonna let that water warm up. But yeah, man, we gonna get a little washing style. You feel me? feel me? Damn, I don't even got my towel. Hold on, I'll be back. My fault, y'all. I have to get a little towel and shit. You feel me? We finna start off with the washing style. You know how I go. Shampoo. You know you gotta start fresh with the shampoo. You know what I'm saying? That's how you clean your shit. Alright, y'all, so look. What I'm doing here is I'm damping my shit. I'm damping my hair. You feel me? That way, all the shampoo will get all around. So my dumb ass, I'm using this. I could have been using the shower head the whole time. There we go. Now I ain't gotta clean all the way the fuck down. What y'all want to do? You want to get in there real good. You feel me? Get all the way to the root. Cause you got new growth every day. You got new growth coming in every day. Got my hair all damp. You feel me? Alright, man, so shampoo. Boom. You want to get it everywhere. Hey, but keep in mind, you can't do this. You can't, if you just starting your freeform process, you can't do this every other day. You can wash your hair like this or washing stuff probably about once every like week or so. Probably not even that. Not even that. Probably like once every like 2 weeks or so. If you're not doing that, grease or oil your scalp. That way you letting your hair lock up. Like I told you earlier. Feel me? It's all in my eyes and shit. Alright, now I just rinse this out. Alright, so look, we just finished up the washing process. That's the washing process. Alright, man. I'm gonna let this towel sit for a couple minutes, whatever. Let my hair dry up a little bit. Don't let it get too dry though, you feel me? You wanna keep your hair moist. My hair get along good with the water, you feel me? But yeah. Alright, y'all. As y'all see, my hair got a little dry and shit. Feel me? It's still moist. Still moist, gotta keep the moisture in there, you feel me? Now what I use, this regular shower conditioner right here. You feel me? The little conditioner, not too much, not that much, cool. Now what I do is I mix it with the water. Feel me? I'm getting closer on this. Getting closer on this, you feel me? Mix it up with the water. Feel me? And this is just conditioner. You can get this at fucking Walmart, nigga. This shit, fuck it, man. You can get that shit anywhere. And I'll apply it all around, everywhere. Cause you wanna make sure you get all the way down there to the roots. And that every single little dread or Congo got some kind of conditioner in it. Just keep your dreads from looking like, keep it from looking like real dry. You know what I'm saying? Real dry, looking real. You know how your hair start looking too dry and it'll start turning gray? This will stop that too, you feel me? You keep doing this method every day, but this is just my method right now because mine's already locked up. But like I told you, the key to getting your hair locked up, do not touch it. Don't touch it with water whatsoever because water gonna be your worst enemy, man, I'm telling you. Water gonna be your worst enemy when you first start in this process. It's also to keep that hang time, you feel me? Hold on. That shit not fully coming out. Yeah, alright, so look, I gotta make sure all that conditioner and everything all in there, you feel me? Then after that, we're gonna come in with the oils. Castor oil. And like I said, this, you right here, argan oil, I think that's how you say it. You can get this at the dollar store, man. Real shit. You get that at the dollar store, bro. But I use both of these. I usually put 2 different kinds in my hair at the same time. You feel me? So a little bit of that, you feel me? And what this is gonna do is gonna add the shine to your hair, and it's gonna make it less dry, make your scalp less dry. Open this one. I mix it in with this one. A little good amount of oil. You wanna have a small good amount of oil. Damn, dripping. You want oil. You want the oil all over. The oil. Then, same way you did with the conditioner. Apply it all through your hair, getting the scalping on. Hey, if y'all been with me since like way back then, y'all know my hair came a long way. And they like this is, can y'all believe this is 2 years worth of growth? This is 2 years worth of growth right here. 2 years worth of growth, man. Look at it, nigga. I'm up here lengthy, nigga. Hang time, nigga. Stop playing with your boy. This 2 years, nigga. Hair healthy as hell too. This was my best friend. This was my best friend. It'll last me a minute. This and any kind of leave-in conditioners, probably like Pale Enhancer Smoothie or like olive oil or some shit. But this, the twisting cream, nigga. This you need. So look, I don't get that much of this though. I probably get about a finger scoop. A little finger scoop of that. You feel me? Not too much, not too much. And then, shit, like I did the rest, just apply it to your hair. Like I say, but it's for all y'all who be asking me how I got my hair like this. You feel me? I hear this all the time. What you put in your hair? They just know how you get your hair like that. Damn, man. It also be the haters too. You feel me? Trying to talk they shit. But you know, I love them. I love them the most. You feel me? Y'all haters, y'all my niggas for real. I fucks with y'all. Real shit. I keep you pushing. Even though I've been fucking up with this shit, bro. Like I told y'all, bro, I'ma bounce back, you feel me? I'm tired of telling y'all that I'm finna, you feel me, get back on my shit. Cause I know y'all always ask me where the videos been at, where I've been, what I've been up to, and shit. Constantly, I just be chilling. I'm doing that, been slacking off. Like I said, I apologize. We gonna get right though. We gonna get right though, we gonna get back to it. You know what I'm saying? Dropping our consistent videos on a consistent basis, you feel me? But anyways, back to this tutorial. You just wanna make sure it's like all dissolved in your hair. You gotta be all dissolved in your shit. Now, here's the part where I get asked about a lot. The 3 dreads hanging from the front. That's me personally, I did that on my own. Made my own little 3 dreads, you feel me? Had them, they hanging, you know what I'm saying? They fit the style, obviously. Now, y'all wonder, y'all also be asking how the Congos be coming in, which are Congos, it's like multiple dreads in one, or it's like a lot of dreads combined into one, which make these. I got one right here. It's like hands almost. You feel me? Hands almost. See these Congos. I got another one right here. Yeah, y'all be asking about the Congos too. Really, that shit just came natural by itself. If you doing what you doing with your hair, you feel me? When you first start and not put a lot of water, that's gonna cause the Congo to come in. But now, my hair be in the water every damn day. I love the water in my hair. I love my hair being moist. Most people don't say that about their dreads, but me, I'm different. I like my shit moist. You feel me? We finna. I see how nigga got the hang time, nigga. Shit shaking and all, nigga. And these are freeforms, nigga. These ain't regular dreads. These ain't regular dreads. You feel me? I did this all by myself, all from scratch, bro. All from myself. Nobody twisting my hair professionally. None of that. You know what I'm saying? But another thing you niggas be fucking up in is because y'all not twisting your hair consistently with your fingers as well. Yeah, you supposed to use a sponge or a brush, but fingers is what's gonna help the dreads actually form and lock. You feel me? You keep twisting them and shit. Now I couldn't do that with the singular dreads in my head. As far as the Congos, I just leave these alone. Apply everything in it, leave these alone, let them grow. You feel me? Eventually my whole hair gonna end up Congoing out. But right now I'm fucking with it. Oh, look, that way my shit be. I had a cut like what, a couple weeks ago, and I already need another one. Look at that shit. Sad. I don't usually do this. I don't usually use the sponge, but for y'all today in this video, since I'm doing a tutorial on how to do this, I'm gonna use the sponge for y'all. You feel me? So I used it earlier too. You feel me? Just to like loosen up the dreads, space them out and shit, so I could, when I wash it, get everywhere, all in to the roots and shit. And yeah, once you're done, just I use the bigger side. But that's a two-sided one, you know, the little side. Start off with this side. When you got short hair, this is the side you start off with. Use the little hose. You feel me? This is what I started off with. I started off with the little hose. You know what I'm saying? Then you eventually upgrade to the big ones, which is the ones I gotta use. So yeah, from there you can sponge it around. Sponge that shit. Look, you can do this for however long you want to. I'm not gonna do this for that long, whatever, you know what I'm saying? But cause I don't need to, but you can do the sponging however long it takes your hair to fully adapt to the sponge and start twisting. Alright, man. Now, there's one last final step that you need as to keeping your freeforms healthy, long, and bouncy like this. You feel me? Alright, y'all, look, the last key ingredient, you know what I'm saying, to keeping your hair healthy, not even just your freeforms, you feel me? Just for any hairstyle in general, you know what I'm saying? If you want to have healthy hair, healthy, thick, you know what I'm saying, bouncy hair and shit, you feel me, nigga? Drink your water. Drink your water. Drink a lot of water. I promise you, drink your water. Really, that's all I drink. Drink a lot of water, bro. I promise you, your hair gonna stay healthy. Your hair gonna stay healthy. That's the main ingredient. You feel me? Water gonna give your hair all the nutrients you need. Not only do you need to put it in your hair, you feel me? Washing it, put it in your hair through your body. You feel me? It's like a plant almost. You feel me? You drink the water, it's gonna help you. It's helping you and your hair grow. You feel me? Type shit. That makes sense. I know I sound smart, huh? But yeah, man. Look, man. I'm gonna go ahead end this video off, you feel me? I hope y'all like this, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to, you know what I'm saying, keep twisting your hair, you know what I'm saying? Keep your hair up to date, drink your water, you know what I'm saying? Sponge, you know what I'm saying? Oils, all that shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Keep your hair, you know what I'm saying, up to date. Your freeform gonna turn out just like this. Follow them steps that I do, you know what I'm saying? Or that I told y'all, and I promise you, you feel me? You're gonna have the best freeforms, you feel me? I promise you. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm finna go ahead and end this video off, man. I love y'all. Like I said, I'm back uploading soon, you know what I'm saying? Just had to come at y'all with this, you feel me? I missed y'all, you know what I'm saying? I had to drop a little something for y'all. And a lot of y'all been asking me how I get my hair like this, so here we are, man. But I love y'all. Y'all could give this video a big old like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? All that good shit, you feel me? And we out here, bruh.